Now, for the past week, there has been something under the refrigerator, and we don't know what. She sees it, and he sees it. Look at this. They have a plan.
I told you to get
Shh. Francis. I'm going to stay here and look for it while you go on the other side. Okay. Wherever they see, they got it cornered. Now, wherever they see, they got it cornered, and, well, if they do see something, like a mouse or something, the mouse will be dead. From that direction, or from that direction. A hunter, the aggressor, the hunter. Stay tuned for an update.